Welcome back to another light model tutorial, this time the Metro Mullet by Angel del Solar. For this type of haircuts, I like to start on the sides. I like to use my clipper over comb technique to remove the bulk of the hair. I like to use my T-liner to clean up the area, and I like to use my adjustables to do the fade. To complete the side area, I like to use some scissor over comb technique and blend from the bottom to the top. To connect the front to the back on the perimeter, I push the hair with my comb to the front of the face and cut it from the top to the bottom with my scissors. For the top, let's just have some fun. I use my double comb technique condensed cutting, and I cut from short to long incremented from the back to the front. To finish the top area, I like to move the hair over the side and create a diagonal forward from the back to the front, and then I like to texturize it with the point cutting technique. The back is simple. Using the same double comb technique, I cut from short to long, incremented from the top to the bottom, and then I connect the crest area. Using a blade only, I use a freeform technique to detail the bang area, cutting one piece at a time, very much custom tailored. To finish this style, we'll be using some 1821 man-made. First, I'll be putting some clay. It'll give me texture, volume, and a matte finish. And then I'll layer on top of that some paste, which allow me to have more control and flexible curls. I'm glad Peyton let me do this cool haircut on his hair. It's been a lot of fun doing this. If you have enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, hit that like button and subscribe. Love to see you again. Thanks for joining.